Welcome to Bike Future, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on motorcycles. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting launches of 2025, the Yamaha Rajdoot 350. After decades, this legendary bike is making a return, and Yamaha has ensured it blends nostalgia with modern performance. Let's explore what makes the new Rajdoot 350 a masterpiece. A tribute to the past, the original Rajdoot 350, based on the Yamaha RD 350, was a game-changer in the Indian market. It was powerful, aggressive, and had a cult following. Now, in 2025, Yamaha has revived this icon with a fresh design while keeping its vintage DNA intact. The bike retains its classic stance, but now boasts modern elements to suit today's riders, design, and features. The 2025 Rajdoot 350 pays homage to its predecessor with a retro-inspired fuel tank, twin-pod analog digital instrument cluster, and round LED headlamp. The minimalist yet muscular look keeps the essence of the old model alive while incorporating modern touches like LED turn signals, premium switchgear, and a USB charging port. Yamaha has also introduced a variety of classic color schemes to appeal to enthusiasts. Engine and performance under the hood. The Rajdoot 350 is powered by a 349cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine, producing around 40 to 45 bhp and 35 Nm of torque. Unlike the old two-stroke version, this engine is BS7 compliant and features fuel injection, ride-by-wire throttle, and a slipper clutch for smooth performance. Yamaha has also worked on refining the exhaust note to give it a deep, throaty rumble reminiscent of the original RD 350 chassis. And ride quality. The bike is built on a lightweight yet strong trellis frame, ensuring stability at high speeds and agility in city rides. Upside-down front forks and a monoshock rear suspension provide excellent handling and comfort. Dual-channel ABS, a slipper clutch, and traction control make it safer and more refined than ever. The 17-inch alloy wheels with tubeless radial tires ensure superior grip on all road conditions. Technology and features. The Rajdoot 350 comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster featuring Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and ride statistics. Yamaha has also equipped it with multiple riding modes, Eco, Sport, and Custom, allowing riders to tailor performance according to their needs. Expected price and launch date. Yamaha is positioning the Rajdoot 350 as a premium retro bike, likely pricing it around 2.8 to 3.2 lakh, ex-showroom. The official launch is expected in mid-2025 with bookings starting a few months prior. It will directly compete with bikes like the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and Honda CB 350. And final thoughts, the 2025 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a revival of an era. With its blend of classic styling and modern technology, it promises to be a dream machine for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Stay tuned to Bike Future for more updates on upcoming bikes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest news in the world of motorcycles. See you in the next video.